How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the Jonesy Reviews channel, and we will be talking about today how to change a Canon M10 into a webcam. So what I'm going to do for y'all today is I'm going to show you what all I had to do to figure out how to make this into a webcam. So talking about the Canon M10 itself, the Canon M10 is a really good vlogging camera. It has a tilting screen, so for being able to vlog. It has a very good resolution. It can record up to 1080p, 25 frames per second. It has full HD, it has regular HD, and it can go up to 720p. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about as in looking for the Canon M10 becoming a webcam. So if you go into Google right now and you type in Canon M10 and you type in as a webcam, what you're really going to see, you're going to see a lot of questions, but you're not going to see a lot of answers. I believe I found an answer on Reddit, but I had no idea how to get back to it. All the answers were the same. It always told you to go Canon EOS Utility Webcam. It told you to go there. You go to the website and you scroll all the way down. You look for the compatibility and you will not see a EOS M10 anywhere. There's M50, M200, and I don't even think the M100 is here. So what I did, as you can tell, I looked up on Google, no answers. Let's go to YouTube. You type in Canon M10 as webcam. Right there. And you have a lot of turning Canon cameras into webcams, but you do not see a M10. And that's the biggest part about this camera, is the M10, a lot of people were saying are not compatible to becoming a webcam. So all in all, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to make the Canon M10 a webcam. So, of course, you need the Canon M10 mirrorless camera. You will need a mini HDMI to HDMI adapter. It should go right in. It should clip right in just like that. And of course, if you have a mini HDMI to HDMI adapter, you of course will need an HDMI cord. And then you plug this into this. And then after, all you need is a capture card, a HDMI video capture card. So I bought this off Facebook Marketplace for $12. I was lucky enough to find one super cheap. If you go on Amazon and you type in HDMI video capture cards, these will probably run you about 30 bucks. The HDMI cord at Walmart, depending on which one you want, the cheapest is probably going to be $6. And then the adapter itself, if you want the adapter, I think I bought that at Walmart as well for $12. And of course the camera itself, I bought the camera for 240 bucks off Facebook. So last but not least, I will show you how it looks plugged in, and then I'll also show you how it looks in Streamlabs to make it as a webcam. I will see y'all in a little bit. Alright everybody, as you see here, here's the Canon M10 plugged up. As you can see, I have the mini HDMI adapter hooked into the HDMI, running all the way to the back of my computer with a capture card. Alright everybody, here I am. I'm now recording off the Canon EOS M10, and I'm recording it off the computer. It is now on the webcam. I'm going to use my phone and make it so I can see. I can see it. This is my webcam's right here, and here is it on my computer. So there it is, guys. All you need for this camera, a tripod, you need the adapter, the HDMI cord, the capture card, and that's it. So let's add it all up. So the Canon EOS M10 was $240 with the tripod included. That was bought on sale, so most likely you're going to have to buy it for like $500 online. $450 to $500. The mini HDMI adapter was 12 bucks from Walmart. The HDMI cord was $6 from Walmart. And then the capture card I also bought online off Facebook for $12. Most likely you will buy that on Amazon for about 30 bucks, so give or take $25 to $30. So all in all, let's calculate that. Of course, if you're watching this video, if you already have the camera, so 12 plus 6 is 18 plus 30. You're going to spend about 50 bucks to make your camera into a webcam. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I really hope I answered your question to make the Canon EOS M10 as a webcam. And if you really like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I have a gaming channel. It's called Jonesy_Mercs if you ever want to see me game on this camera. I also have a podcast that I will be recording off this camera as well. It's called the Let's Frickin' Go Show. They both will be in the description. And I'll check y'all out next time.